I just wanted to go over some trades that won't be shown because I had already I just immediately jumped into trading, which I don't know, wasn't really good because it's, I just feel a little bit funny about, even though I'm not doing it live, I still know that I'll be putting my trades out there on YouTube. So I'm a little out of my frame, so to speak. And I'm noticing how I'm doing certain things that I probably wouldn't be doing if I was just trading and recording my trade for just myself to go over later. But anyway, yeah, let's just go over these really quick. So I guess I saw this and I just looked to the left and saw that we had majority MACV going on. So I just automatically jumped in without even paying attention to the fact that there was a red alpha omega signal that came in beforehand. So if I see something like that, then I should be watching out for it if the MACV might switch to red, which it did. And so that was an obvious loss right there. Well, it's not showing here because I went back and took the screenshot, but there was another long signal from the Enigma that showed up. So I entered here and bam, another stop out. All right, let's get it popping. So starting down.
Order pending.
Already down $664. This isn't so good because here we have, bam, that could go and turn the MACV green. So
DCDMNQ on the
I
one.
want to be more cautious about taking a short signal right after this. And it's already moving up too. But, the MACV histogram was red, so that's why I went along with that. But this wasn't a good trade.
Exit.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Order pending.
This was good in that, the MACV Ultimate was, the MACV and the MACV Ultimate, both green. The only problem was we already had this huge run up, so wasn't very likely.
Order filled.
You gotta do this. Me, man. Let me see. Yep, just like that. Just playing along. Just trying to play with these draw tools.
Order pending.
But yeah, as you heard, I was definitely frustrated. And I think you could tell I was frustrated and how far I pushed.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
And how far
Enigma short on the RTY1.
And how far I pushed these targets.
Order pending.
I was frustrated. I was like, man, I really wanted to make back the losses. But yeah, this was good. We had the Bollinger Band bounce. And
Fib dot. NASDAQ. Order filled.
MACV Ultimate turn red. That ad that I just had was because of this red fib dot on the MACV. So,
order pending.
Yeah, I closed.
DCDMNQ on the one.
Hold on, let me see.
Fib dot.
Wait, hold on.
Order pending.
Oh, well, I must have cut it out by mistake, but I closed when this divergence triangle showed up. So yeah.
DCDMNQ
I
on
didn't
the
want to
one.
give anything back. I was aiming for the delta line,
Order filled.
either the delta level line or the MACV. And I was frustrated because of this too.
Order filled.
I was still biased to the short side. So yeah, that was down 844.
Order pending.
This is in a range, so I'm thinking
To the bottom. Maybe.
a reversal of a double cross and an accumulation zone. And this was at the top of that zone. And also there was a red dot here, so that added to the confluence. But I was feeling a little nervous by the delta line. So but how y'all doing?
Order filled.
Just trying to maximize my profit. Yeah, and that's just in case I get a runner
Just in case.
down to this PRZ. Yeah, I literally said just in case. Down to this PRZ and
Target filled. Order filled.
Fib
Yeah.
dot. Dow Jones.
and as soon as I saw a little hesitation, I was out.
Order pending.
Oh, and actually you won't see it on this chart because I thought it was showing, but I didn't have it showing, but I had another chart open.
And it's on King timing too.
Yeah, and it, like I said, it was on King timing. I had a signal show up on another chart where I had the standard.
And the
Sure.
big old headshot on the MACV. Oh man.
Yeah,
Hope this works out.
yeah, I had a chart loaded that's not showing with the standard indicators and Enigma too.
Shot.
So sometimes, you know, if an Enigma signal didn't show up on this chart, it would be showing up on the other chart. And so this is an entry that I took based off of that. I thought it was showing, but apparently it wasn't. And also, of course, we have a headshot on the MACV.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Order filled.
I like how long this is taking.
Wait, hold on. Oh, so I took one off because I didn't want to take any chances.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I like how long this is taking.
I'm not sure if I added back though.
Fib
Enigma
dot.
long on the
Nasdaq
NQ1.
on the
Oh
twos.
yeah. Tell me I add back on that.
Order
Okay,
order
there we go.
filled.
There we
ES
go.
delivered. Fib dot. Nasdaq
Enigma
on
short
the
on the
twos.
Oh my
NQ1.
fucking gosh. Get away.
A little profanity.
Fib
here.
dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Yeah, my emotions are a weak spot. I'm observing, like, just rewatching the stuff, that my emotions are a weak spot when things don't really go my way. And that's definitely something that I have to keep under control. And of course,
Order filled. Or target order filled.
the solution is to
Enigma long on the NQ1.
yeah, and of course the solution is to just let your edge play out and, you know, enter where you know you should, and then just let your edge play out. And that's really the solution to getting over the emotional hang up that can come with trading.
Order pending.
No, wait. We got a divergence.
Yeah, I was hesitating because of this divergence right here. It wasn't a good entry.
Order pending.
MACV was green, but usually I like to have my trade not have any obstructions in the way. And even I'm moving it down, just hoping that the shark would come in.
Order filled.
Okay.
I was hoping that the shark would save me, but it didn't.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Order pending.
Oh yeah, this was a good one. We have a J hook in play on the
Fib dot.
standard shirt.
Nasdaq on the twos.
So you know,
Order pending.
I was gunning for that goal line. Added when I saw the
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
the green dot.
God damn it! Don't do me like this.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos. Fib dot.
Order
Yeah, I was-
filled.
I was pissed because there was
man.
I was upset because there was a red dot that popped up on the MACV. A headshot actually.
Red dot. Man. Gee.
Yeah. I wasn't too sure about re-entering, but
Order filled.
man, the potential from that J hook, I really wanted to take that shot because I knew it could really pay off if it hit targets, especially the goal line.
Almost there. Push it. Push it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order pending.
Yeah, you see here
Order filled.
we had this little range in play right here, accumulation. Let's see if I can draw it.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Oh wait.
Double cross Nasdaq
DCDMNQ on the
twos.
1.
Yeah, just like that. See
On
if
the
I missed
twos.
anything.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
I added when it kept moving in my direction.
Double cross Nasdaq on
DCDMNQ on the
twos.
1.
Yeah, I didn't really add with that because you know DCDM they get tricky with you, so I didn't want to add on that only for it to come back and slap me in the face.
Order filled.
Double cross.
Oh yeah, and there was a double cross in a harmonic on the standard chart.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
See that video?
Order pending.
I wasn't too sure about that one either, but it was on keen timing on the standard chart, so I figured it was worth a shot.
I hope King timing counts for something here.
Yeah, I kept my size small though, only 2 contracts. Like I size up on the play where I'm really confident. And
Enigma long on the
Order filled.
RTY1.
yeah, see, I closed it early. I didn't want to chance it.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Yeah, when I feel like it's not there, I just don't really want to chance it. But
Order
DCDMRTY on the
filled.
1.
if it seems like something can come out of it, then I'll go in a couple contracts.
Enigma
Order
long on the
filled.
RTY1.
Yeah.
Fib dot.
that was a-
Nasdaq.
Order pending.
And that was a bad one. The first retry was a bad one because well, I was going in opposition to the J hook because the J hook popped up on the standard chart.
Enigma
Order
long on the
filled.
RTY1.
Fib
Well, you
dot.
see that red dot?
Nasdaq.
Order pending.
A red dot at the goal line, that looked pretty good to me. But yeah, this green dot popped up. I was like, nah, I'm good. So that was 3 retries. That was bad. It would have been better if I retried at this red dot
Order filled.
rather than when it came up here. But I guess this was also a good kind of retry just because it was a PRZ cross. So I can see why I retried that one, but 3 retries.
Fib dot.
Nah.
Nasdaq on the MACV.
Not so good.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Russell.
Order pending.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
man.
wasn't too confident about
Oh
it.
man.
Yeah, I was chasing that. That was
Enigma
terrible
short on the
entry.
Oh
NQ1.
my goodness, no.
Absolutely terrible. I closed this one out though
No.
Order filled.
because it's at the top of a J hook. Those usually tend to reverse,
Order pending.
and that's why I took this when it popped up on my Enigma chart.
Screwing up here. But it's at the top of a J hook.
Yeah, just like I said.
So-
I think this one works out. Let's see. But keep in mind that the MACV is still green. So I have my finger on the close.
DCDMES on the 1.
I'm just holding it down, and as soon as I see something that I don't like,
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
I just pull my finger off.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Oh yeah.
Order pending.
Oh, taking a chance. Take it too weird.
Yeah, like I said, I didn't
Enigma
wanna
long
take
on the
any chances.
You gotta
NQ1.
be kidding me.
Frustrated, bro. That's my emotions, bro. But I kept my
Fib
stops
dot.
right where they should
Nasdaq on the 2s.
be. I kept my stops where they were supposed to be.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Six contracts. I think this is like a
Order filled.
$600, $700 trade. I didn't like how long it was taking.
Order filled.
I'll take that.
I didn't like how long it was taking,
Take it
so
too
I just
long,
closed it. Wait, what did I say?
Harmonic pattern.
Order filled.
I'll take that. Screw it. Take it too long, man.
Yep.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
But I played
On the
myself
NQ1.
Order pending.
because it worked out pretty well.
Fib dot.
No.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Order filled.
And I'm glad I closed it because they actually ended up going all the way back down.
On the MACV.
Yep, that's it.
Order filled.
All right, so when it comes back up, we have
Enigma long on the
Alpha Omega headshot candle going up. So when it comes back to the previous price level where the Enigma signal came in, then I just wanted to retry that.
Order filled.
And I was pretty confident in that, so I went in for contracts.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
A good target up here
Order pending.
ES
with the
divergence.
PRZ.
Order filled.
It's probably about a $700 trade right there.
Order filled. Target filled.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Yeah, that tune, that's Frankie, what's that? Frankie Beverly and Maze. I forget the name of the song. Before I Let Go. Yeah.
Order pending.
Fib
Enigma
dot.
short on the
Nasdaq
NQ1.
on the 2s.
Order pending.
All right, jumping back in here into the audio
Enigma
box
short
room.
on the
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Yeah, that was Vinny's stream, I think. And I was just targeting the PRZs down here. So I brought my targets in.
Order filled.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Yeah, and usually, I actually realized this in the stream. Vinny explained that, well, actually, somebody else explained. I think it was Neil Jots that said that the big targets are actually for speed, and I didn't realize that because I was operating under the assumption that we can keep our targets bigger because really big moves come off of the Enigma signals even when they're on the ones. But I realized that actually you should size your targets based on the context. So if you watch Vinny's stream today, he sized big because he was trying to take advantage of the lucky sevens at the end of the day, and certain things like that. Or if you're in a really big accumulation phase, then it seems like there will be a big target that a price will move a lot from that. Or if the speed is 100 bars per minute plus, then those are the contexts in which you should have your bigger targets. Because with this, my targets are out 30 ticks, but the BPM was 65, so that probably wasn't too good. But yeah, I'm gonna apply that going forward to try to remember to have smaller targets when the speed isn't really right or the context isn't right. Yeah. So let's go over the results really quick and then I'll send you all on your way. Total net profit $16.75 and 38 cents. Profit factor, winners 1.57 times the size of my losers and 56% profitable. And this is with taking a bunch of bad trades. I still did pretty well. You know, the only thing really was I traded a lot. And if you recall one of Vinny's videos that he has about the DCDM strategy, where you just take small risks strategy, double cross double moves off of the ones, so you have minimal risk and high reward. Well, and he said how you can pretty much just sit at your computer and just do that all day. Well, I was kind of treating the Enigma that way, but I'm fine. I really think that I should probably just try to limit that and be done in a few trades as possible. But yeah, I had a lot of trades today, and so $16.75, that is more than halfway to the profit goal. So I'm glad it worked out well. I definitely reset a lot of time before, but I guess that's just because I'm pretty confident that I can do this. So even when I reset, I'm still ready to get back in because I know I can do it. I just had these certain hang-ups that will happen, specifically getting emotional when a loss is bigger than I planned for it to be. So I have a lot to reflect on, and I'll see you all tomorrow.